Welcome to day one of a 7-day Canva challenge. And guess what, guys? We are going to bulk create for our first challenge. The reason why we literally just did it in our workshop, so it's still fresh in our minds and we can actually implement it as soon as possible. So, I will be giving you a prompt that you can use um, on your AI app that you use, may it be Canva, may it be ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whichever one you prefer. I will be giving you a prompt that you can use. And you will see here, I went to chat and I already put the prompt in. And he gave me my 7-day content. So I've got my headline, my text, and my CTA for this. I'm going to go to Canva. I'm going to open my sheet and I'm going to start with my bulk create. So go watch the recording as soon as it's available and be sure to create your first 7 days in bulk create.